Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous Undetectable. Are you guys seeing the undetectableness of this wig? I also braided the wig, guys. This gorgeous hair that you can braid, look like a cute madame, and also look like a gangster is from KES Wigs. The gorgeous hair I'm wearing today is from KES Wigs. As soon as I received their box, it immediately was screaming luxury. The packaging is exquisite. Like, oh my god, let me show you the gifts. So they give you really cool gifts. They give you a KES Wigs hair clip, which I think was really pretty. They give you elastic band in case you need extra. They give you bobby pins. They give you a brush, and they give you a tweezer. You are honestly not going to need a tweezer because their hair is pre-plucked. They also give you a flat iron. Like, this is the first company that I'm seeing that they actually put a gift that I really would like to use, a flat iron. Like, seriously, this is really cool. So they give you a flat iron, and now let's check out the hair. So the hair is their loose wave hair, and this is their 22-inch loose wave HD lace frontal 13x4 wig. So I'm immediately noticed that the hair is pre-plucked. I told you, you're not going to need a tweezer because the hair is pre-plucked. The lace is HD and undetectable and will match with any skin tone. And the waves of the hair are so pretty, so soft and just beautiful. So look at the knots of the lace, guys. This kind of knots, you don't even need to bleach because the knots are not heavy at all. So as you can see, it's like super thin. You don't have to do any work. Now the inside of the wig, okay, this is the spacing of the lace. It's very wide and it's true to size. So this is truly 13x4, unlike other companies that don't give you the real 13x4. The texture of the hair is glossy. It's not dull, dry and frizzy like other companies that will send you dull frizzy hair. No, their hair is very glossy and it looks nice and healthy, and also the density is consistent from the beginning to the ends, unlike other companies that will give you really thin ends. As you can see, their ends are full and thick. So now I'm just going to install the wig. Just watch the install process. It's very simple, and then I'm also going to show you how I did the braided style towards the end of the video, so just keep on watching. Okay, I like the curls. I like the big loose waves. So now I'm just going to cut up the lace and just make it look nice and natural. I absolutely love this hair by KES Wigs. I love the curls. They are big and bold. I love the density. It's nice and full. It's so pretty. So this hair is by KES Wigs, guys. I'm going to leave their information in the description box if you want to get it. And I absolutely love that the lace is nice and natural, and I didn't have to do any type of plucking. Like, guys, just look at how beautiful and natural the lace look. So you could fluff out the curls even more and make them look bigger by combing it out with a white tooth comb, and you're just going to love this hair. So I'm going to show you what I did to switch up this wig, because right now I look like a really cute madame, but I eventually switched up this wig and did a braided style. I'm also noticing that the more I comb the hair, the bigger the curls like show up, and this is so me. I love big hair. Like, the bigger the better, okay? Absolutely love it. So I'm going to put on the accessory that they put in the gift, the hair clip. I think is really cute. So let me show you guys what it looks like when I put it on. So when I was done feeling like a cute madame, I switched up the wig and did this braided style. So let me show you how I did it. So this is the same wig after it's washed and dried. So the curls are more like a loose wavy curl now, as you can see. Like a loose wavy curl. The quality of the hair is still good, still very nice and soft. It feels good on my fingers. So what I'm gonna do now is to do a braided style, so you guys see the multiple styles you could do with this wig. So let's do that now. So I'm really just doing simple cornrows. I will eventually do like a French braid in the middle, but for this type of lace that is like true to size and is big and wide, it's great for doing cornrow styles. So if you want to like braid the hair up, you could definitely do that. Like, the construction of this wig is so good. Like, it's perfect for doing these braided styles, which is why I'm deciding to braid it today. So for the braided wig to look seamless, I'm doing the bowed cap method, just to make sure like it just blends smoothly and to push the stocking cap closer to the front of my forehead. And like I mentioned at the beginning, before I started braiding the wig, I told you guys I bleached the knots of the wig as well, just so that it looks more like scalp when I put on the braided wig. So after that, just put your powder or your foundation over the stocking cap and just throw the wig on. And I'm also going to use a got2b spray to like secure the lace in front. And yeah, just keep on watching. And this is the finished result. So this wig is super versatile. Once again, this is KES Wigs hair, and I'll leave all the information in the description box. If you want to do braided styles, you would definitely be able to do it with this wig because the lace is going to give you enough room to do so. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.